How to make money on Pinterest. So let's get started. So first, let us know why Pinterest and why choosing Pinterest as a platform for earning money can be strategic decisions for several reasons. Of course, first is the visual platform with high engagement. One of the reasons is the visual appeal. Pinterest is a highly visual platform, making it ideal for showcasing products, services, and creative content. Also for traffic generation. Referral traffic, Pinterest can drive significant traffic to website and online stores. Diverse monetization opportunities, especially which our focus for today is this affiliate marketing. You can use Pinterest to promote affiliate products by creating visually appealing pins that link to your affiliate link. Now, to start, you need to choose a niche. So, for example, you can choose from minimalist home decor, budget friendly fashion, fitness for beginners, and so on. These are just a few examples, but there are tons of niche such as technology or others. You have to make sure also that you have knowledge about this. So once you have chose a niche, then you can go to Amazon. Just go to affiliateprogram.amazon.com, and this is what it looks like. You can see here the steps: sign up, recommend, and then earn. So if you're ready to earn in this kind of platform, then what you're going to do is you have to look for sign up button. Okay, you can see the sign up button above here. Tap this one. And you can see here the procedure or process to create your Amazon associate account. So first, you need to enter your information here, basic information like name, address, and so on. You can see here you need also a website. And then after that, you need to complete your profile and then start earning. Actually, both of this are easy to do. But this one, you need a website in order for it to complete. So I highly suggest to create an account or website using Squarespace. It's very easy. All you have to do is to go to squarespace.com and you need to tap this get started in order for you to create one. Basically, all you have to do here is to answer the question, something like, what's your site all about? So let's just say it's about home decor or something like that. So let's just say your website is all about small business. You will be promoting products here. And then what do you want to do with your site? So let's just say sell products, of course, sell products or sell online courses. Everything is up to you. And then after that, tap next. Now you can browse templates and then edit, or you can build using AI, which is their new feature. But for me, I want to choose this build my own template so that I have the full control of my template here or website design. So here there are tons of templates that you can use. Feel free to choose one. Let's just say I want to use this because this template is the closest to my niche, which is, of course, a minimalist or minimal home decor. So to start, you just have to simply create an account using your Gmail or your Google account. And this is what it looks like. You can just simply tap this edit right here to change or to replace any word or design here. For example, if you want to change this to the name of your store, for example, minimal or minimalist home decor, you can change it right here. And the good thing about this Squarespace is that it's very easy to use. You can replace the picture or images here with the pictures of your product. Okay, so let's just say if you want to change this to your product's image, you just have to click, remove, and then upload your picture and drag the picture right here. This is what it looks like. Feel free to change. Feel free to change the background, the format of the word, and anything here. But once done, what you're going to do is to simply copy that website URL and paste it here in Amazon. And once you have built or created your website, then you can just proceed with your profile and with your Amazon account. So here you can also have or get an idea on the fees and the percentage that you can get for the product here in Amazon. So for example, your commission if you sell products from technology, from home decor, from furniture, something like that. So you will see the rate here, the information here, and you will have the idea of what product you want to sell, of course. The higher the commission, the better. So once you have your website, once you have created your account in Amazon, then you can go and find for best home decor affiliate link programs. You can go to Google or browser and then search for home decor affiliate programs. So you can see there are tons of affiliate programs here. You can choose, for example, let's try the very first one here. Okay, so you just have to go to their website and then apply to their affiliate program. So let's just say this one. Let's try this. You need to scroll down here till you see the link. This one, tap this, and it will take you directly to their website. So this is their website, and all you have to do is to comply the requirement and then sign up as an affiliate marketer. So once they have accepted you, then what you're going to do here is to start earning and start creating your account first in Pinterest and then promote their product. So to do that, you have to go back and then create an account in Pinterest. Well, if you have an account already, all you have to do is to switch to business. So go to Pinterest. If you have created an account or haven't, just click sign up. And if you have an account already, just go to your profile. You will see here convert to business. But this is my business account here, so I can't see that anymore. Now, if you want to change your cover photo because this one is totally different from minimalist home decor, I highly suggest Canva for editing. All you have to do is to create an account here in Canva and then go to templates. And then here you will search for Pinterest. Then you will see here tons of templates for Pinterest, such as cover photo, profiles, and other things here. So let's just say you want to create a profile first. Then you just have to search for Pinterest profile. You will see here templates for Pinterest profile. And all you have to do is to replace the picture, the original picture, with your picture or with your business picture. Let's just say this one right here. I want to choose this template and I want to change the image or the original image and replace it with my image. Okay, so all you have to do is to customize this template. You need to upload your image or your business profile's image and then replace it right here, drag it to this frame and then download. So you have your Pinterest profile. Next is if you want to create your Pinterest cover or banner. So you can just simply search for that here and then customize template. So I'm going to add my pictures. I'm going to replace the name and the pictures inside this template right here. So suppose that these are my products, let's just say for this tutorial. So I'm going to drag all my products or the products from that specific website that we're going to promote and then replace it right here. So let's just say these are the products from the website or the affiliate program that we have applied for. And then all you have to do is to download this, go back to Pinterest. Let me change my profile first. And then after that, change your cover photo. So once you have changed your profile or add your profile, change your banner or add your cover photo, you can also add more details about your profile here so that your customer or viewers can see more details about you or your business. Okay, so once you have added everything here, then what we're going to do is we're going to start adding a pin. So you have to drag or you have to get some pictures from that website or from that affiliate marketing website and then add it right here. So you can choose from any of the pictures from this, okay, from this website. And then if you don't know how to create a stunning design or template, you can go back to Canva and then replace the pictures with their products. Same as what I did with my cover photo. Replace it right here, share, download, go back to Pinterest, add the picture here, add the name, description, and the link. So when people visit or click this picture here on your interest profile, and then they will click this link. It will take them directly to that site. And then once they buy or purchase a product from that website, then there you will start your earning or you will get commission. As easy as that. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.